Welcome to Hebrew School. We will learn 5 new words today. If you have not viewed the videos for weeks 1 through 3 of Hebrew School, go back and review those videos before moving forward. By this time, you should know the meaning of all the Hebrew words in weeks 1 through 3. In this lesson, you will see the word in English first and in Hebrew second, and then you will see the phonetic spelling of the word. Afterward, there will be a quick quiz. Have fun! You, atah. You, atah. Friend, re'ah. Friend, re'ah. Teacher, moreh. Teacher, moreh. Stranger, gar. Stranger, gar. Peace, shalom. Peace, shalom. Shalom also means completeness, soundness, welfare, and we use the word shalom to say hello. It's quiz time. Have fun. Awesome. Practice saying and writing these words daily. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will see you back here next week on Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Shalom, shalom.